Hi guys, welcome back. We got a fun one for you today. As you can definitely see from the title of the video, we're gonna be lightening up the TX. What I didn't let you guys know is that we already started lightening it up. Let me show you guys what we got going on as far as gutting the interior out, what we're gonna be keeping, what's gonna be going back. But this thing is already way lighter. You can just look at the tire there. You look at the tire there, man, you can see how much it raised up already, but everything is out of it. What are we gonna be working on today is getting the sound deadening out of it. So I bought some dry ice, so all of the extra sound deadening is gonna be coming out of it. Hoping to save, I don't know, 20, 30 pounds of just sound deadening taken out of the car. As you can see, it ran all the way up to here. We're gonna leave the door cards. We're gonna put back the radio. We took out, as you can see, we took out the climate unit. We're gonna try and figure out a way to do an electric heater that'll run defroster and the vent, since the center vent and the defroster is like on the same vent. So that'll be really good, really good. Extra cluster, like I guess shell. I have an extra cluster shell, and we'll mount the fuel tech here, and we're gonna run the wires through where the AC lines came in stock. We're also going to leave the center console because I don't know if you guys know, I've never said this on camera, but one of my biggest goals with the TurboX is to run it at race week. I have like a very big goal of running this car at race week, so we want to still maintain some of the driving features. That's why we're going to put the radio back. We're going to have the center console charger, but we've probably taken with the seats, we've probably taken probably 300-400 pounds out of this car. So I got about 20 pounds of dry ice. I got the pellets. I didn't opt to get the block, so I don't have to break this up. Throw some alcohol in this. Oh shit. Look like I'm making a drink in the lit spots in the city. Throw this in here. You can hear it cracking. All said and done now. I have a little bit up here that I couldn't get, that maybe you could see, and over at the top over there, but got most of the sound deadening out. We're just gonna clean it up. Just gonna clean it up. So I'm gonna clean it up, vacuum it out, wipe it out. Maybe I'll probably end up painting the floor in here black or something. This is all of the sound deadening we ended up pulling out of the TurboX. It's weighty, ended up coming out to 18 pounds of sound det, which is fine by me. So we ended up pulling out 18 pounds of sound deadening out the floor of the cars with the dry ice. The dry ice worked really well. A rubber mallet works really well with that as well. It helps out a lot. We're going right into the next video. We should be starting that tomorrow. We're gonna start trying to get the fuel tech mounted to the dash. If you don't know what a fuel tech is, it's a standalone ECU. This car's gonna be running on a standalone. That's why we gutted the interior. We have plans of doing fuel cell, race seats, roll cage, And tomorrow we should be starting the mounting process and getting some of the sensors working, maybe running the wires to the correct places that we want them to run to, as far as the injectors, the coils, fuel pressure sensor, all of the sensors that we can get to from the top of the engine. We should start getting those in line. And of course, it's gonna be like maybe a 10-part series getting this set up, but we're gonna take you guys step by step through. So just sub up, follow, like, comment, everybody who's been supporting. I really appreciate you guys. And I didn't forget about the engine video. I'll attach that to the next one. All right, guys, peace.